What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As always, make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe. Today, as you can see in the title, what I'm going to be doing today is replacing the grills on the e93 BMW M3, and I'm going to go over how to do it. What you will need is a T30 or an Allen key. All right. There's 4 screws you have to remove first in order to get to the bumper to release the grills from the inside. You have to like push down on these little clamps and release it. You could use a flathead screwdriver to help you out, and then you can actually use your thumbs to actually push down and release it. It's pretty easy. Show you guys the screws. As you're working your way around, start with the top 3 first, and then once you release those, you can release the one of the corner ones. You'll be able to pull it out enough to where you can get underneath and you can get the last 2. The bottom one I was able to do with just my fingers. The top one I would suggest, which are these top 3, I'll suggest using the flathead. The corner one, use the flathead as well as the last 2, you can use your fingers. Now, to be honest, a lot of people replace these grills on these BMWs anyway, with either the matte black or the gloss black, which I have the gloss black, because these kind of take away from the car, makes it look a little outdated. The ones I ordered are the double slant grills, which I think looks a lot better than the single slant. Some people still prefer the single slant. I wanted to go with the double slant, so that's what we'll be doing today. Process of putting these grills back in are very easy. You just line them up and push them back in. So you hear the snap. Once you hear that snap, then you know it's in. to me, the double slant looks a lot better than this. I just wanted you guys to see the difference. This looks a whole lot better. Granted, the headlights are still outdated, but the grills definitely look a lot better than these. Now you're gonna follow the same process that you did on this side. The top three, I would suggest using a flat head to release. The one on the corner as well, use a flat head, and then the ones at the bottom, you can use your finger. One that's a little tougher to get out. Out with the flat head, the ones at the bottom, you can use your fingers. Okay, it's pretty easy. To be honest, this process should take I'm recording, so if you're not recording, maybe anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. To be honest, it's probably one of the easiest installs you can do on this car. Okay. Just like last time. Line it up and push it in. This process of installing is super easy. Taking them out is the only tough part. That looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Well, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to show you guys how to install the grills on a e92, e93 BMW. Pretty much any BMW of this model. Very easy install. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.